नमस्कार दोस्तों, देखिए ब्यास का क्या भव्य रूप अभी हो रखा है। You do not want to get caught up in these waters. The flow is so high. It's so fast. Nothing that goes inside will come out alive, pretty sure. You can see debris flowing in the river. If you slow down the video, I can see wood and housing material. So probably there's been some a big log of wood just flew past. So there's been some destruction upstream, probably because of which all this debris is coming down. If you see there, it's so violent. So we've just come to know there was a vehicle standing in front of this dark grey blackish car, and few minutes ago that got washed away. You can see after the road there's only water splashing up and down. So few minutes ago there was a car which was standing here, a brand new car standing around this point, which got washed away. The people who've been here, they said it hardly took 2 minutes. The land below it just cracked and the vehicle went down and washed away. Can't even see anything now. Maybe it's been some time, but can't see any car remains anywhere on the sides. And now this one is at risk. And you can see right next to the road, the whole road is washed away. If you listen carefully, you can hear the thump of big boulders moving about in the water. Beas is very unforgiving today. There's been continuous rain for the past over 24 hours, and now these Jhuggi dwellers, these people living right on the banks of the river, they are moving out from this place. Not a very good sight for them. They're not even sure if these tents will survive the night tonight or not. The road, the mud behind their house, it's mostly got washed away, and they're just clearing up before they see this get washed away in the rain. Can you see the pole and the wires moving? This pole suddenly just fell down, and now it's again shaking. See, getting washed away slowly. Electricity is going to be a big problem for the next few days. Terrible time. If you're planning to travel to Manali, please don't. Not the right time to do so. Postpone for a few days at least. As you can see, the highway on the left side got washed away. Water is at full force. We are risking our lives to give you these visuals so that you don't risk your lives and come to Manali right now. It's not worth it. The whole road has caved in from here. Even on the right side, half of the road is gone there. And in some time, I think the truck stand and Volvo stand will also get washed away, if not already gone. very bad state right now. So even the second lane in this left part, the right part of the road, even that is gone now. The water is so violent. Humble request, please don't travel to Manali right now. This is the approach road from police station side, full of water. You can see the road being washed away. There's so much water here. Last year also this got washed away, but let's see, they had just made it new. Started sinking again in places. You can see the destruction caused. The road is sinking again. Water flow is too much on that side. And then down here you see, from below this bridge, so much water is flowing. That Volvo seems to have sunk in the soft mud, the red one. So there's hardly much that they can do now. This is the only approach road to Manali which is open right now. The other roads are all closed. The other approach road on when you go up from this Volvo stand, I showed to you that it's all gone. They are making a retaining wall, as you can see. They are building this retaining wall all around the Volvo stand. Not quite visible like this. It's not taking a focus. But if you see, there's a JCB standing behind there, and they're making a retaining wall all around the Volvo stand and the truck stand area. So incidences of buses getting washed away don't happen again. It's a very bad sight for us Manali residents. This is the condition of the HRTC bus stand. The water is right around the edges. They don't have much time before they also will need to evacuate their buses one by one. But I think the approach road, let me try and show you. Yes, so as I was saying, the approach road from Volvo stand up to the main road, it's been washed away. So these buses are now at hands of God's mercy. There's no way they can come up. There's no way they can go anywhere. They are just parked here, and they are just waiting for the rains to stop so that the approach road is made again and they can work again. They can come out of the bus stand again. The whole road has sunk, as you can see. There's no way for them to come up. The drivers, as you can see, are worried. It's their livelihood, it's their way to earn money, and they're just trying to park their buses in a manner that they don't get washed away with the flood. At the time that I'm making this video, there's no Jio, there's no BSNL in Manali, there's no electricity per se. And if I'm able to upload it on time, this video is made on Sunday. I think today is 9th of July. This is the situation on Sunday. Very bad. This is that approach road of bus stand to the highway above. And as you can see, it's gone. Tamanna Dhaba is about to flow away anytime. We saw stones falling back there. Not a good place to be right now.